Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Wrangler starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a ratchet, various wrenches, and your new starter motor. Make sure your Jeep is parked on a flat, stable surface and secured with wheel chocks or jack stands. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process from start to finish. Now, let's find that starter. It's usually situated on the passenger side of your engine, often near the transmission bell housing. Once located, you'll see two main connections. Carefully disconnect the larger main power cable, often requiring a 13mm wrench. Then, detach the smaller solenoid wire, which typically needs a 10mm wrench. Take your time here to avoid damaging any wires or connectors. With the wires disconnected, it's time to remove the starter itself. There are typically two mounting bolts holding it in place. These usually require a 15mm socket. Once those bolts are out, gently maneuver the old starter free from its housing. Now, carefully slide your new starter into position, aligning it with the bolt holes. Reinstall the mounting bolts, tightening them securely, but do not over-tighten. To finish up, reconnect the solenoid wire first, then the main power cable to your new starter. Double-check that all connections are snug and secure. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal to your battery. Before starting the engine, give everything a quick visual inspection. Then, turn the key and listen for that satisfying crank. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.